just want to show you this new unbelievable deal. It's almost like shocking. They had this promo going on for like, it ended up being like $10, and it's crazy because the quality is actually so good, and it's AI powered noise cancelling wireless microphone. There was literally like 10 before the deal ended, and I just snatched it within the last like 5 seconds, and it was like, you've purchased this item, you snagged a deal or something. That's what Amazon said, but it went back to like $40 after that. So sometimes it's really good to just hop on these deals on Amazon because you never know when the price is going to go up. So anyway, I just wanted to open it and show you guys. I've already tested these because I learned from in the past not to do a full unboxing if the quality is shit. Then what am I like posting for? Do you know what I mean? Unless the company had sent it to me. But I purchased these on my own. Didn't want to do a whole review if it was crap. So I tested it first, and I'm so happy with the results. There's no pairing needed at all. And look at this, you guys. It is really reminiscent of an Apple product. Like, just look at it. Okay. So this is so beautiful. I find a lot of wireless lapel lavalier mics quite ugly. This is gorgeous. This basically looks like an Apple product. So you see the USB-C port there. And look at the shape. So sleek. So sleek. I just love that. No ugly logos. Thank God. There's so many. It's a magnetic opening. It feels so good, and they're all magnetized inside the case. So if you try to put it on the wrong side, it's not going to go in. It's got to be on the right side, and there you go. They're tiny. They are so cute, so tiny. I love the look of them. They're so discreet. They've got a magnet clip, so it can be 360 twisted around, or you can like clip it to your shirt. I have found both very substantial. Just be careful not to lose them. Here is where the charging will happen. It's still charged though, even with the plastic thing, because they came fully charged. Okay, so that's what it looks like with it off. See, there is the actual receiving end for the microphone. I do love that it's magnetized. Strong magnets. You do have to be careful though, because if you clip this, sometimes if you're clipping it, sometimes you can take it completely off. So just be careful about that. There we go. I just want to take a second to admire the design. I really wouldn't care if this microphone was shit, but they're so high quality. It's just plug and play, no driver needed, no app or software needed. It's just literally plug and play. So we're going to do that while the camera is still on. I still have lightning. I am in the midst of getting an upgraded phone, so I don't have to use these silly little dongles. But here is the little charging cable it comes with. Pairing.
All right, so this is how it sounds. So this is how it sounds. I'm holding it up to my face, but you don't need to do that. Now I am holding it up to chest level. So if I were to hook on, let's see how it sounds. She's not going to bark when there's a microphone there. But I will try to do this one hand and hook it onto my chest. I have stuck this to the collar of my t-shirt, and I hope you can hear me clearly. There's also a noise cancelling feature, so I'm going to try and activate that. Here is the user manual, so we will see everything in here. Let's see. But I'm just really impressed, not only the quality, but it's beautiful. Honestly, some of the lapel lavalier mics out there look hideous. And you know what? A lavalier is supposed to work even if it's not right up to your face. And unfortunately, in my own experience, a lot of the time when I purchased it, it only sounds good when it's right up to your mouth, and that like defeats the whole purpose of having a lavalier mic. So yeah, okay, let's see how this goes. I am trying to see disconnected, blah, blah, blah. Automatic pairing. It's amazing. It's so easy. I thought there was a noise cancelling. Hi-fi no noise reduction. Press MFB once. AI noise cancellation. Press MFB once. Okay. So I have both microphones on at the same time. The noise cancelling option. So this is our noise cancelling option. I don't know how it sounds because I have literally one lapel mic to my shirt and the other one I'm holding to my mouth. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay. So this is the green light. No noise reduction. If we press the multifunction button once, it goes into the yellow light. So we press that. And that goes into the yellow light. I don't think this sounds great. This is the AI mode. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be better when there's actual sounds around, but I did read online that if you don't have like a lot of sound going on around, then it doesn't really know what to do. It just tries to drown out your voice because your voice is the only source of sound. So I will only know how good this function is if I've got lots of sound going on around me, which I don't. So it kind of makes sense that it's like muting me. But when I do have a source of sound around me other than my voice, I will test it again. I will press it again for the DSP mode, which is the blue light. So this is the DSP mode. It is also noise cancellation. This is just regular noise cancellation. And I'm near her because right now she's licking. So I just want to see if it actually cancels her out. And we will press it again and see if she comes back in. So this is regular mode, no noise cancellation. And she's still licking. I'm not sure if that made a difference. And then the mute is to press this button twice. So quick press twice to put the mute on, press twice to turn it off. They can be charged via the case. Fully charged, red light is off. If it needs to be charged, the red light is on. Low battery, red light will flash. Automatically pairs, as you guys can see that I didn't need to do anything when it was pairing. Sorry if my voice it's a bit far away because I'm holding the mic. As long as the light is green, you know that the battery is fully charged. When it starts flashing, that means that the battery is low. So at least you will know when it needs to be charged. When everything is in there, you can see, and the green light is flashing. So it's charging basically from the case right now. And these red lights will go off when it's fully charged. And this light outside here will turn off when it's fully charged. But wow, what a beautiful, beautiful set of mics. Look how beautiful. I think it's an absolute steal for what you're getting. The reviews were really good too, but I think it's as beautiful as it is functional and high quality. Highly recommend it.